Hello everyone, I am Prem Kumar. Today I am going to discuss with you IIT JEE main question. Second question is the function from 0 to infinity open interval to real number. That function is differentiable function. In all domain, in its domain, satisfies the condition. So how to find out that functions which satisfies this condition? And then you can find out the f of 2 with the initial condition is f of 1 is equal to 4 is given. So let us calculate f of x first. F dash of x minus 2 times x into f of x equal to 3. I am just sending this functions to the left side. Now you can see what we can do. Just I can use the quotient rule of the differentiation. I am dividing by x square whole square on both sides. What will get? X square f dash of x minus 2 times x f of x whole divided by x square whole square 3 divided by x square whole square. Now you can see this is the rule of this one, u by v. You know what is u by v method? V square, take the denominator square, keep the denominator as it is, differentiate the numerator du minus numerator keep as it is, differentiate the denominator dv. The same idea you can see in the above portions. This would be differentiation of f of x divided by x square, right? The denominator function x square, numerator is f of x. You can use u by v rule. You can compare this function and equal to 3 you can take it out, 3 by x square whole square. Now you can integrating on both sides because we need f of x, right? Integrating on both sides. What will get? If you integrating on both sides, differentiation of f of x divided by x square into dx, integration 3 you take it out, 1 by x power 4 into dx. Okay, so now you can see the differentiation and integration will be cancelled. So you will get f of x divided by x squared. So 3 into the integration of x power 4, how to write? X power minus 4 we can write, minus 4 plus 1 divided by minus 4 plus 1 plus c. So f of x whole divided by x square is equal to, so 3 into x power minus 3 divided by minus 3 plus c. Understood? Now plus 3 minus 3 will be cancelled. Okay, so then how will you get f of x equal to, you can see x square you can cross multiply, x square into minus 1 by x cube plus c into x square. Got it? This is your function. F of x equal to x square, 1 x square cancel, 1 will be left, minus 1 by x plus c x square. This is your function. Then how to find the exact functions? With the help of the initial value condition. F of 1 is equal to 4 is given to, just you substituted here. So 4 is equal to, just I am substitute x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1. What will get? 4 minus 1 by 1 plus c into 1 whole square. The 4 minus 1 you send to the left side, plus 1 is equal to c. This is 5. C will be 5. So therefore, original function is what? Minus 1 by x plus 5x square. So we need f of 2 Just substitute f of 2 here, minus 1 by 2 plus 5 into 2 square. What is that? Minus 1 by 2 plus 4 into 5. It is 20, right? So what is f of 2? Minus 1 plus 40 by 2. So 39 by 2, right? So we need actually 4 into f of 2 is required. So 4 into what is f of 2? 39 by 2. So 2 times 2, it's cancel, 78 use answer. Okay.